Can you visualize your father in meditation, and that can bring you a lot of relaxation to your mind? Namaste, my name is Neha Jaiswal and I'm a meditation coach. I use meditation as a tool to help you come out of lifestyle diseases, especially strengthening your heart. Okay, so this meditation is a very short guided meditation where I will ask you to visualize your father, and that happens in the guided meditation. This is going to bring a lot of calm, relaxation to your entire nervous system, to your entire body, and this will internally help you to become emotionally stable. So if you do not believe me, try it now, right now. So there is a short meditation that will come up. Do that, and I will see you after the meditation. Here, okay, so I want you all to put on your headphones. Sit in a very comfortable position. अगर आपको back rest चाहिए, take some rest for your back, but try to keep your spine straight. Keep your spine straight. Relax. Keep your hands like this and keep your hands on your legs. Just simply like this. Your palms are facing upwards. Simple like this. Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and listen to this music. Completely relax. This is a very special healing music. It is 582 hertz. It heals you from within. So listen to the music. I want you to relax your shoulders. Release the tension from your neck. Maybe you're holding your teeth. Release the tension from your jaws. And do not open your eyes until I say. I think there is some tension between your eyebrows. Can you release that tension? Relax your eyebrows. Relax your eyes. Completely relax. Slowly move your awareness to your upper back between your shoulder blades. Take a deep breath, inhale as if you're breathing from your back. Exhale, relax your back. Inhale, expand your back. Exhale, relax your back. Relax. Now gently bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Once again, take a deep breath, inhale and expand your chest. Exhale, relax your chest. Inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, relax your chest. Completely relax. Come back to the normal breathing. And now, I want you to bring in your mind one of your favorite memories of your life. I know you must have had beautiful memories. Can you pick one and play that in your mind? with this music in the background. Where were you? What dress you were wearing? What people were around you? Can you bring that moment back? उसको दोबारा लिव करने की कोशिश करिए with a smile on your face. And now I want you to visualize your father in your mind. If he's there on this planet Earth or not, it does not matter. Just see your father smiling at you. I want you to look into your eyes of the father. Look into your father's eyes. And tell to him, I'm sorry, Papa, Papa, or whatever you call him. I'm sorry for all the trouble I have given you, for all the problems I have given you. Thank you, Papa, for taking care of me. Thank you for being there for me. I now realize you must also have had so many problems. But still, you took care of me and our family. I thank you. Please forgive me for not understanding you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And now I want you to give a warm hug to your father. Give a warm hug to your father. And now feel that peace. Now gently let your father go away and come back to your breathing. Once again, take a deep breath. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Relax. Now gently bring both your hands into Namaste in front of your chest and rub your palms, generate heat. Rub your palms, generate heat. And place both your palms on your closed eyes. Feel that energy. And slowly bring your hands in front of your face. Open your eyes. Open your palms. All right. So that was a short guided meditation. It is called as guided meditation. If you have done it right now, how are you feeling? I want to understand from you. How are you feeling? Can anyone? So I guess you have done that, and How are you feeling? I want to know. So please type it in the comment if you have done this short guided meditation. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, it's the right time, because you will get such beautiful meditations right in your email if you subscribe. Okay. And yes, I also conduct a lot of emotional healing sessions. If you're really interested, there is a link below. Register for free. Thank you. Hare Krishna.